Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Javeria Khalid. As a textile designer, I love to share what I have learned and experienced, and there you have it. I will make content just to teach you guys simply, like I provide tips to improve your sketching abilities, explore the beauty of watercolors. I will guide to maintain your sketchbook effectively. I will also cover basic terminologies related to textile design, tips to help you navigate your thesis process, and how to create visually stunning portfolio, and explore the powerful tools and techniques of Photoshop and Illustrator, and also Wacom software to digitize your images. And we will also talk about weaving and different prints and patterns and many more related to them. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.